Okay. Back to the ball game. And here comes number 26. No good pa rin. Rebounded by Kevin Cambao. Kiefer Ravena. 3 points. Grabe naman yun by Kiefer Ravena. And we also have number 26. Now to number 77. Felix Villarente binalik ang bola. Balik ulit sa kanya. Felix Villarente. Substitution. Kevin Cambao gives it to Renz Abando. Renz Abando no good on the attempt. The rebound. Big Z Burger. And now number 2, Robin Zapata. No good on the attempt, but then passes the ball. Pero gets blocked by Renz Abando. Ano? And now Renz giving the ball now to Malupito. Now back to Renz Abando. Kevin Cambao. Basket is good. 3. Robin Zapanta passes the ball. Tumira na, kaso wala na rebound ni Frankie Loca. Nice! Sayang si Malupiton. Hindi na shoot. Ralph Manzo with a 2 points. And that's the end of the first quarter. Here goes Kiefer Ravena. Lastimosa to Abando. Back to KQ. Kiefer Ravena. No good. Dinuene attempts a 3. No good. And no good as well on the attempt by Rich Luciano. Nice attempt there, but no good on the basket. Rich Luciano.
Number 6.
Isa pa lang po.
Number 6, coach. Yung
6 yung foul ngayon. 6 pa po yung foul ngayon. 6 po yung foul. 6. Isa lang pa lang po. Yung 30 po yung kanina, coach. First quarter. And there we go, 77, Felix Villarente. 2 points. Kevin Kiambao to Kiefer Avena, back to Kiambao. Now to Lastimosa and Abando. Lastimosa. Now to KQ. Basket 3. And that's going to be a substitution. Basket is good, 3. Grabe naman yung Kevin Kiambao. Now back to Felix Villarente to Danny Marilao. Danny Marilao, basket is good. Nice save there by keeper, pero nakuha ni Dinuene. Nice layup, Dinuene. No good. Now Danny Marilao passes the ball to Reg Luciano. Back to Danny. Sino? Now 0, no good. Okay for Ravenna. No good on the attempt. Danny Marilao. Lastimosa passes the ball. Ballesteros, but no good. Okay, back to Lastimosa. Ay, Fajarito. No good on the attempt by Fajarito. Basket is good. Number 17, Simon Penafiel. Lastimosa passes the ball to Kevin Kiambao. Basket 3. Kevin Kiambao, assist by Lastimosa. Sid Castillo 3. Basket is good. Kevin Kiambao. And there goes Hamadu Luminu for another 2 points. Looks like there's gonna be a foul on number 0, Danny Marilao. First personal foul on Danny Marilao. And And the ball on the free throw for Ballesteros. That's going to be a foul on number 77, Jerick James Pido.
Siya na naman siya. Dito, yung 77. Ah,
All right. Back to Cash Prince. And here you go, Kevin Cabao, no good. Ball possession goes to Big Z. Kevin Cabao with the rebound. And here we go, number 42. Oh, 43. Christian Fajarito, basket is good. 3. Kevin Cabao, no good. Then now Fajarito. 3, Fajarito. But it's good by Simon Penafiel. Now going back to Sid Castillo. Sid Castillo, binigay niya na ang bola. Pero naibalik pa rin sa kanya now, attempting a 3. No good. And Christian Fajarito with the rebound. That's gonna be a traveling violation. Substitution. Boy, Simon Penafiel for another 2 points. And here we go again. Pinasa ni Arabando papunta kay... Wait, that's gonna be out of foul. Foul on number 13. Second personal foul. 1-3, 13. 13.
3-0, dalawa.
Dalawa lang.
Coach, lahat kasi may 3. Baka akala mo pare-pareho.
And here we go. Passes the ball to Tarukan. And now, here we go with number 13 to Hamado Lamino. Basket is good. Renza Bando. Third personal foul on Renza Bando. Correction, on number 13, Dino Wene. Now on the free throw line is Renza Bando. And here we go. Mukhang big pa rin ang bola natin. 12 seconds to shoot. And now, shoutout sa mga nanonood sa ating Facebook live stream. We're now at 3.2 thousand viewers. 3.2k viewers natin sa Facebook live stream. Shoutout sa inyo. Once again, this is MIGBL Season 6. Hashtag bakbakan na. Now De Guzman. No good on the attempt. Uy, nakagawan. Now we have Tarukan. Now back again to Tarukan. Frank Iloca intercepted the pass. Nazaria, 3!
Nandiyan pala sila net-net. Ha? Nandiyan sila net-net.
Basket is good.
Abang may laban sila. May laban silang net.
Hoy, hindi si net-net dyan. Kamukha lang.
Diba? Alam ko si net-net.
Renza Bando, basket count. Tarukan passes it to Ralph Manzo. Back to Tarukan. Angelico De Guzman. No good pa rin on the attempt. Basket is good by Ralph Manzo. Uy, na-rebound ngayon and Rente gets the 2 points. Official score 73-72. Lamang pa rin ang Cash Prince. We have 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Substitution. Ngayon mo sabihin sa akin kung sino taksin. Ngayon mo sabihin sa akin kung sino taksin. Oo. May dala ng bola. Ball possession goes to Cash Prince. Kevin, nakita lang yung volume. Pagkatapos ng game. Ako na minalaban. Kevin, nakita lang yung volume pagkatapos ng game.
Last game na lang ngayon.
Alright, balik tayo. Now, Kiefer Avena with the ball. And now, Pamboy Raimundo attempts the 3. Basket is good, 3 points. Based on the referee's review, it's gonna be 2 points. 2 points. And no good. 3.5 viewers in the live stream. Shoutout sa inyo mga kaibigan. Welcome to MIGBL Season 6. Hashtag bakbakan na. And now Ralph Manzo to Felix Villarente. Na steal ni Renza Bando. Now to Pamboy. Pamboy Raimundo. No good on the attempt. Rebound. Number 6 rebound. Basket is good. 3 points by Raymond Penafiel. Ito na Ralph Manzo. Ralph Manzo ulit to Felix Villarete. No good pa din. Renzo Bando with the jam. Mind blown. And back to Hamado Lamino. Pinasa niya to Ralph Manzo. Now to Felix. To Rich Luciano. Eto na. Basket is good by Felix Villarente. Shoutout sa mga nanonood sa kanilang mga bahay. Again, this is MIGBL Season 6. Hashtag bakbaka na. And we have number 15 with the ball. Kiefer Ravena, basket. 3! Grabe naman si Kiefer. Idol Kiefer with the 3 points. Now Rich Luciano. And here we go. Mukhang may foul na kagad. On number 0. Pamboy Raimundo, his first personal foul. Dalawang pa timeout ka.
17, tatlo.
Third personal on Kevin Cambao. And that's going to be the end of the third quarter. Official score natin 80-77 in favor of Cash Prince. Now sa ating post-quarter, batiin muna natin ating mga sponsors: Powerhouse Clothing, P-Box Advertising and Construction, RPBY Evolve Dental Clinic, and Cha 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 Cafe. Parang nga ng mic saglit. Let's parang ng mic. Once again, Marikina Sports Center, and also shout out sa ating live stream viewers with a whopping 4.1K viewers sa Facebook live stream. And now Kiefer Ravena starting off the third quarter. Kiefer Ravena good for 2 points. Baba tayo ngayon to Simon Penafiel. Simon Penafiel binabantayan ni Kiefer between the legs, and now trying to attempt a shoot. No good. Blocked by Ren Sabando. Kiefer Ravena attempts no good on the 3-point. Pero nakuha ni Frankie Loca. Back to Bamboy Raimundo. Bamboy Raimundo, 3! And that's gonna be a timeout for Big Z. What a powerhouse that Cassia Prince is now showing. You have Renza Bando, Evan Cambao. You also have Kiefer Ravena, although wala si Mark Pingris, but you still have Frank Eloca, and as well as Pamboy Raimundo. Napaka-star-studded yung lineup ngayon ng Cash Prince. And now Danny Marilao attempts, no good. Sabando, basket is good, 2 points. No good on the attempt by Simon Penafiel for the 3 points. Kevin Cambao, basket 3. Now Robin Zapanta passes the ball to Danny Marilao, to Dean Nuene. Dean Nuene now attempting a 2. Basket is good by Dean Nuene. Sabi po ni Joseph Sotoya, magkalaro pa ba si Malupito? Naglaro na po, currently on the bench right now. Now Kiefer Ravena. Okay, baba ulit tayo to Danny Marilao. No good, but gets the basket by Dean Nuene. Kevin Cambao attempts a 3. Basket's good, 3. And now, going back to our score is 93-81. Lamang pa rin ang Castry Prince. Simon Penafiel to Hamado Lamino. That's gonna be a block by Frank Iloca. And there's a foul. Renzo Bando, that's gonna be his first personal foul. Now there's 2 free throws for Hamado Lamino. First free throw is good by Hamado Lamino. And the crowd is going wild right now. Iba ang energy ng ating mga audience. No good on the second attempt. Ibang-iba ang energy. And now Kevin Cambao. Attempts a 3. No good. Dino Wene with the 2 points. And now Lopez. Frank Iloca for 2 points. Basket is good by Danny Marilao. Grabe naman ang nangyayari ngayon sa ating Marikina Sports Center. Napakadaming tao and napakaganda rin ang laban na pinapakita ng Big Z versus Castry Prince. And there's another attempt by Kiefer Ravena, but no good. Uy, no good pa din on an attempt by Danny Marilao. Block. Renzo Bando with the block. Now Kevin Cambao. Hindi na shoot yung tira ni Kevin Cambao. Now we still have Dino Wene. Dino Wene attempts no good pa rin. Rebound by Frank Iloca to Kevin Cambao. Lopez. Bam Lopez binigay kay Renzo Bando. Renzo Bando now with the ball. Dinanja, step back to no good on the attempt. Ball is clear. Moving on. Dino Wene, 2 points. At ayun, bumagsak na nga si Dino Wene sa audience natin. And now, Kiefer Ravena passes the ball. Bam Lopez gets the 2 points. Now Kevin Cambao with the rebound. And here comes Kiefer Ravena. Passes to Arabando, back to Kiefer. Kiefer attempts a 3. Basket is good. 3 points. Kiefer Ravena. number 8, Bam Lopez. And now Malo Piton goes inside of the ball game. Sid Castillo gets the basket to go. 3 minutes na lang and 23 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Wow, shoutout sa 4,800 viewers sa ating Facebook live stream. Almost 5,000 viewers currently. And now Kiefer Ravena, no good on the attempt. Makapauli tayo ngayon with Dino Wene. Basket is good. 2 points by Danny Marilao. And now we have Renz Abando to Joel Malo Piton. Bossing with the ball. Bossing with the ball and still with the ball. Whoop, left and right. Attempting a 3. Yun lang. Sid Castillo. 3 points, Sid Castillo. That's gonna be a timeout. Desserts and Winter Snow Skincare Clinic. Back to the ball game with 2 minutes 25. All right, 2 minutes and 12 seconds. 8 to shoot. Kevin Cambao attempting a 3. No good on the attempt. Last 2 minutes. And now, the official score is 195. Nandito tayo sa 1 minute 59. We're under our last 2 minutes. Bantay ni ano?
Baliktad, ang bantay ni Sid. Si Joel.
Now Felix Villarente to Dean Wene. Now to Sid Castillo. Nabangga. Basket is good. Now we have Kiefer Ravena. 197 ang score natin. 100 for Cashay Prince and 97 for Big Z. That's gonna be foul on Felix Villarente. First personal foul niya. Frank Iloca with the ball. Pinasa to Kiefer Ravena. Kiefer tries to shoot, no good. Rebounded by Ren Sabando. And now Kevin Cambao passes the ball. Ren Sabando attempting a three, no good. Frankie Loca for the putback. And that's going to be a timeout. And back to the ball game. 51 seconds na lang natitira sa ating ball game. Danny Marilao. And no good pa rin. Sid Castillo, 3, 102, 100. Alright, baba ulit tayo. Going to Kiefer Ravenna. Kevin Cambao! Basket is good! 3! Again, 29 seconds remaining. 105, 100. Lamang pa rin ang 5 points ng Cache Prince.
Palit niya ng kinalala. Pang ilang palit niya na yan?
Pangalawa. Pink, black, tas yan. Oh, good stolen. Nangyari? So, 5.1 viewers on the live stream. Shoutout sa inyo mga kaibigan. Welcome again to MLGPL Season 6. 23 seconds na lang ang natitira bago matapos ang Cache Prince versus Big Z. Oras. Yan. Basket is good by Hamado Lamino. Ang daming nangyayari, halos hindi na natin makita sa dami ng nakatayo ng mga tao dito sa ating basketball court. Eighteen seconds na lang natitira. 18. Basket is good. Danny Marilao. Eto na, 16 seconds remaining. There we go. And that's going to be a foul. .105 and 104 is the official score with 15 seconds. Basket is good by Kevin Cambao. Seconds remaining. And now Sid Castillo, Felix Villarente, but there's a foul. Foul on number 19, Joel Malupiton. 7 seconds na lang. Danny Marilao, attacks a three! Basket! Timeout! What a basket by Danny Marilao! 107 all official score. 3 seconds na lang. And now we're gonna go to overtime. Mag-overtime tayo for 5 minutes. Babalik tayo after a few short moments. Ball game, 5 minutes overtime. balik tayo sa ball game. Now back to the ball game. Kaya hindi kata marinig ni Muko. Here we go. 2 minutes and 48. Time remaining 10 seconds to shoot. And now no good on the basket attempt. No good for the end. Sana. Sabihan ko ba? Kuya Mone, huwag daw ganun, sabi ni Kuya Angelo. Okay. Malyari now with the ball. Pinasa ni Malyari. That's going to be a foul on number 6, second personal foul. Kiefer Ravena for 2 free throws. First free throw is good by Kiefer. Last throw. Two for two for Kiefer Ravena. Basket is good by Danny Murillo. And now we have Kiefer Ravena. That's going to be a foul. Sid Castillo. Apat na si Sid Castillo sa kanyang personal foul. Again, this is 1 minute and 41 seconds remaining sa ating overtime. Official score is 109-111. First free throw is good by Kiefer Ravena. Basket is good. 2 for 2 for Kiefer Ravena. Three seconds remaining on the shot clock. 1 minute and 20 ang ating game clock. 111 all. No good on the attempt. No good pa rin. Good, ball is clear. And now, Kevin Kiambao, binigay ang bola. Passes the ball, Malyari to Kiefer Ravena. 5 seconds to shoot. No good on the attempt by Kiefer Ravena. Official score 111. And no good. Alright, balik tayo. 39 seconds na lang nawa ang natitira. And now, Kevin Kiambao, 3! Oh, correction, that's actually a two-pointer by Kevin Kiambao, 113-111. Aris may pumapasok sa mga likod ng mga players. That's going to be a foul on number 17, Simon Penafiel. Penalty. Wala na sila timeout, nawala na. Sila nga, natanong sila. First free throw is good by Kiefer Ravena. Tingnan natin kung shoot niya yung pangalawa para maging 115-111. Masushoot na kaya? Eto na. 2 for 2 by Kiefer Ravena. 25 seconds na lang. Danny Manila with the ball. Dino Ene. 3! And that's gonna be a foul on Dino Ene. Fourth personal foul, fourth on Dino Ene. Free throws for Kevin Kiambao. First basket is good by Kevin Campbell. And 2 for 2 for Kevin Campbell. And now Malyari with the rebound, and looks like it's gonna be the end of the ball game.